Come from people, live. Look like you get pussy clot joke here this.
A lot of Jamaican women are jumping in my comments going, oh, she just doesn't get our culture. Oh, she just doesn't understand. Listen, I married into a Jamaican family. And what you're not going to do is sit and kiss all over my man, hug all over him, say hello. We're friends. We've known each other for years. No. The answer is no.
Lots of sound gotta get themselves together. Yes.
Oh, fat boy, me a yak Sauda. And you buy this morning we are gonna. And me buy this, you're on the yak Sauda. Me and you.
Welcome to Lion TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness, big up on yourself. Welcome to Lion TV, you know the man of peace. And me always I the violence off the streets, living love, unity and strength. You see me? And one of the big up on yourself and I give thanks for your continuous support. Is it? Yes, man. To them Monday, bank holiday in England. Today is what, the 6th of May. Happy birthday to who celebrate a birthday today. Is it? Yes, man. In this episode we have this young lady look like the age of 12, 13 the most. But I don't know how she did on TikTok. You see me? And also, where's the parent? You see me? I say, boy, I tell you. And also, this lady I call out Spice. I say Spice too rude. The way she go out, wind up on cartel and all of them things there. And she disrespect see them. You know what I mean? But different people have different suggestions, different thinking. Some people find it rude, some people don't. Because to be honest, me people say Spice should not do that. You see me? But again, a Jamaica culture, and Spice just be herself. It's nothing personal, you know? You see me? And also we have JNR International. Real Rasta man, you know what I mean? Big sound, JNR International. It'll be in Bristol the 8th this Thursday. So we are going to more about it. When it comes to dub plate special, you don't know JNR. Yeah, man, about the special them. You see me? Yes, my unique style. You see it? So, big up on yourself. Don't go away. We are kicking off the vlog right now. And before that, we send condolence. Rest in peace to Adriana, Younge, to the Younge family.
I watch them on the Germany represent for Lion Foot TV. You're real G. Tell them on the strongest soldiers get a hardest fight. Lion Foot Patriots out there.
Yes, man, welcome back. Thanks for staying. If you're still here, that shows you care. Don't forget to like and share the content. Saying, yes, man, and this is seen on the screen. Adriana Younge. Justice for Adriana Younge. Is it the 11-year-old who her family, father found her in the swimming pool. She went missing for a short period of time in Guyana, and they found her suspicious death. So me I say, so the people in my protest right now, big protests are going on, whole heap of looting and vandalizing and breaking, robbery and everything are going on. While the looting, the protests are going on. You see me in Guyana, because she said to bury today, but people are protesting. Said they need a second post-mortem. The post-mortem stated that she drowned in the swimming pool. You see me? Yeah, so all the suspicion arose around that. But I just want to send my sincere condolence to the families them, and they found her on the 28th, I think, of April, or the 24th, yeah, in April, sometime in April. And now today is said to be the burial. But people are protesting and say no burial. They want a second post-mortem to get the right justice. You see me? But I send my condolence to the Younge family. You see it? Yeah, man, people have to take care of the kids and look out for them, watch out for them. Because all the predators out there, all the human trafficking are going on and sacrificing are going on. You see me? Yeah, man, and pedophiles out there. You see it? Yeah, man, so we see a lot of celebrities post our picture as well. The picture, like such as Ayakti and Movado, the Angel, and other patrons, including myself. You see me? Life are the greatest gift. Today we're there, tomorrow we're gone. So we have to cherish each and every moment. Watch we step. I'm not sure we are living with people. And I move around people. Not trust no one. You see me? With yourself or with the kids. Once again, Adriana Younge. Young, innocent soul, rest in everlasting peace. Moving on now, we see this young lady gone viral. What is she doing on TikTok? You see, Jano Star, watch her go on.
Come from people, live. Look like you get pussy clot joke here this. Fort don't charge you. Don't make me get cheap out here, this pussy clot. All you what next one, bitch, come sort me out. Me never dare sleep your mother, you drunk crow. Look, let me live now if you know me a catch on a blood clot yard. See any big pussy and any big pussy girl or any big pussy boy. Me I tell you this, one thing for sure and two to certain. Man now come on the yard, come catch or sleep, cause most of them I'm green up fuck. You know, don't want me fall even call out the name one by one and start ring up on big pussy. Wrong with the charge you fuck, wrong with the charge you come over here, sir. Feel like some dog. Better.
Viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. Yo, this is disturbing. Very devastating, hurtful. And so me I say, JNR Star. If I did related to that little girl there, any woman in the world, man, forward down a page, man. Yo, me I tell you, say, where are the parents? She don't look no more than 11 to 13. I just said 13, but she don't look more. She don't look younger than the young girl we just talked before. We passed away, Adriana Younge. This is a JNR Star. Where should I do one TikTok attack like that? Wish I do on TikTok at all like that. They say, oh, Jamaica stay out, Jamaica run. This is why some of these young girls start attract predators, because they feel like they're big. And don't be surprised if you hear she a touch already. A man a touch her already, or a boy a touch her already, because you look at her behavior, look how she attack. And what shocking to, you know, on the top of the screen of the page, you see where it says 21 and over. And she's just about, she look like she's 11, 12, 13 and say the most. And look how she be when I carry on. Is she talking real to somebody? She approach somebody, or she just do if you get the money? Because we know also TikTok wrong, you know. Sometimes people talk things with them don't mean, just to make people laugh and get money, because people love the bagger and the mix up and the bring down and degrade and stuff. This little girl, a star, gone viral. Look at that behavior, man. Very disgusting. You know? And sad. You know, JNR Star. I tell you, shocking, man. Me not like this. Where is the parent? You know? Where is the parent? We see some of these young kids having kids, and them not have time for going on a picnic. So the picnic them grow in their own way and get exposed to certain things at young age, and when they see certain things reach them, people are saying, you know, but the parents fail the kids them. Sorry to say. You see it. But anyway, my viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Saying, sad, man. Moving on now, we see that lady address Spice. She says Spice is rude and not harder. You see me? Because she go out with Carter somewhere and a disrespect to see them. Watch and let me know what y'all think in the comment section below.
A lot of Jamaican women are jumping in my comments going, oh, she just doesn't get our culture. Oh, she just doesn't understand. Listen, I married into a Jamaican family. And what you're not going to do is sit and kiss all over my man, hug all over him, say hello. We're friends. We've known each other for years. No. The answer is no. Okay? And Spice knows that she's wrong. She jumps on every man like that. She's freaked out. She's the Shannon Sharp of the Jamaican culture. But y'all saying, oh, that's just our culture, this and that. That's a quick way to catch a hot one from me. Because you're not about to be jumping all over my peoples. Okay? That's wrong and weird. And y'all are wrong and weird for saying, oh, see them, that's our culture, this and that. That ain't no culture. It's disrespect. Vybz Kartel has a fiance. It's inappropriate. I don't care how See Them feels. And she gotta not feel some type of way because he got a bunch of fans and baby mamas. But what Spice does with Vybz Kartel is inappropriate. And for y'all bitches to be going, oh, that's our culture, this and that. Jamaican women, I know y'all know what an obey a woman is. That's what I am. So what you're not about to do again is jump all over men's and saying, oh, it's because we're friends.
Viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, line and liners. So honestly, I don't agree with what the lady has said. There's mixed comments here because, to be honest, I heard people saying that, Spice shoot, you should not jump on the man like that. See them dead and, you know what I mean, from Freedom Street to the show where them do where they in America, in Brooklyn, you see me? At the Barclays Center, yeah. Spice, one of the things them with cartel. But you know that Spice, that's how she get her gain her her momentum to the queen of dancehall, raw and X-rated, and that's just Spice. I don't know if Sean Cartel ever have nothing in personal, but there was rumors from them to the ramping shop and have the picture there with them take, you know what I mean? That they took, you see me? But the lady, she has said, boy, Spice should not do that, you see me? And because people are saying, yo, this is just for culture and them things. That's Jamaica culture, yes, and you know what I mean? As I'm saying, nothing personal, no feel like nothing going on with Spice and Cartel. Spice just rate Cartel, because Cartel got a big collab, ramping shop, and that changed her life, evolve her career, as well, you see me? And you don't know American culture and English culture, the way of thinking, the women them are very jealous. I can tell you that, I can assure you that, you know what I mean? They are very jealous, and them think different from Jamaicans, you know what I mean? And when nothing go on, them feel like something go on. You see it? Yeah, but big up to yourself, big up Spice, and yeah. Big up Cartel, big up see them, and big up the lady too, you know what I mean? Freedom of speech, and she entitled to talk how she feel and what she think, you see me? Let me know what y'all think in the comment section below, my viewers and subscribers. So now we are close off the show with JNR International, JNR currently in England here, you know what I mean? And he's moving around doing him shows them and them thing there. And he will be in Bristol this Thursday the 8th. Big sound clash are going on, you know what I mean? Body per vibes, that's it. Yeah man, so we're gonna leave with a little performance from him, and then when I said come to dub plate and special, JNR lock. JNR me meet Capleton for the first, Determined for the first, John Mason for the first, Luton Fire, and everybody, big up JNR. Watch how I go on my viewers and subscribers. If you want to book him, while he's here in the UK, reach out to Lionfoot. That's what I say, I reach out to him directly. You see it? Yeah man, one JNR International.
Lots of sound gotta get themselves together. Yes. Now fuck boy, me and you ask who that. And you vices that is brother we are gonna. And me vices, you are on the ask who that. Me and you. And we are talking about who that. And me vices that over the stand. I mean I have to play what I have to prove to you. And you vices that is brother them. How are you? You know what I mean? Back up right now. Well, I whisper like me not here. Well, I didn't check it. So me wrap up my turban now. What me be up and laughing up? Me see bigs round there like this, Reverend. Alright, you take out a minute, so you want to know. You know I'm not saying JNR. I know me. Alright, make sure. But I want song you have to play that tonight. Back up, man. You don't play your anthem. You can't come out unless you play a country boy. Me have a anthem. You have to play a country boy. So look like, brethren, so me know you're not, brethren. You know me tired for teaching the music. I'm tired for teaching you. Look how much clash up your country and you don't play it. You don't have money, they're going to go to your father and cut your people. Cut your own, so I'm not play that for you. You can't pay me to play that. Pay me to play that. Hey, brethren. No man in a music argument unless a man like Captain D and some different man, brethren. I don't want a man in a sound argument when you talking about your tune scene. Or you not going to mix up in a splice argument, so you mix up in a splice and I'm going to bring me a quote in a music, brethren. The one I know. Brethren, how are you? Back up, man. Listen, best. Listen if you listen.
JNR International sound like your dad. Can't bring Spanish stone. You don't know the place, guys. You know the sound run. Watch my young pictures in a style. Pictures go fast.
I mean, the most of JNR sound.
This is like the last one,
I'm comfortable for them flash it up no matter what permanent drops and features been in.
Watch my young pictures in a style.
And in the boy and another we are the dance. No limo.
Them not pay the butcher. Butcher don't want to see them.
Another we are the dance. CM.
JNR, I don't need to look out road. I'm gonna plan up. JNR, you with a band road. We get the sound. We run the town. That's supposed to roll off and run up and down. Hey, trend center with a real and stepper. And then you will go dance and get a fire. JNR sound, put you one picture. And I'm with JNR the one.
Put you give me a JNR.
You want to know?
Yes, man, that is JNR. Big up JNR International, big up Alan Brando, War Report. That's what I say. And the man of peace, Lion Foot, I'm out. Not another word out of me. I'm out. Yeah, man. Buka.